Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change oil on your Onan Cummins 4000 generator. This one's on a mini winnie, so let's jump right into it. First, just take your door off, get that out of the way. All right, here we see your oil stick and add location. First thing we're going to do this is run the generator for 5 minutes to warm it up so the oil flows good, and then we're going to come back, drain the oil, and put the new oil in. So let's go ahead and start it up. Okay, so there's a little plate underneath the generator, little square plate that we're going to have to take 2 screws out of to get to the oil drain pan. So what I'm going to show you is what you're going to need to take that plate off. That plate uses a special screw called a star bit or a Torx, and it's a size T30. So we'll pull that out of our Crescent toolkit here. You might be able to use the driver for that, or if it's too hard, you may need to use a 1/4 inch socket like this one. And get you the socket driver, get you a 1/4 inch socket, put that on there, and put that in there. We're going to go up underneath there and take that screw off. So we'll come up in here, put our socket in the counterclockwise position, and undo this. It wasn't on there too hard. We'll save that nut. This one right here, we just need to loosen to get the plate out of the way. Like that. And there we see the nut that we need to take out. Okay, we're going to need a 12 millimeter socket is what this size is. You can do it with a 1/2 inch, but it's not quite tight. 12 millimeter socket is what you're going to need to take that off with. Okay, so I've got my drain pan underneath there ready to go. I'm going to take the drain plug out and we'll drain the oil. Okay, so we drained the oil, put the plug back in, ready to put oil in it right here at the oil fill port. And you know, there's a lot of different people with different opinions on oil, what you use in these Onan generators. Personally, I like the Rotel brand. It's a super good oil. They recommend a 15W40. This is a full synthetic, one of the highest quality synthetic oils you can get to put in the Onan generators. And so this is what I use in all my small engines, and I recommend it. The Onan generator calls for exactly 1.6 quarts of oil. On the back of the Rotel bottle, there's a little measuring deal here, but it's not real precise. It shows right here 2.5 quarts, so you would pour it down to just below that. If you want to go more precise, I use Lucas fuel injector cleaner or engine upper cylinder, you know, just the Lucas oil. You can use it for lots of different things. It actually has, I have several empty bottles of it, and I use it to measure all kinds of things. So I use this almost in every tank of gas. So I have a lot of these empty bottles. I keep them because they do have this, and it's a disposable measuring device. In this case, you would just fill this up to the 26 ounce mark twice, and that would give you 52 ounces. 1.6 liter quarts is essentially 52.2 ounces. So this is what I use to fill it up. Plus it goes right in, and you can pour it right in there, and you don't need a funnel. If you pour it out of this, you're going to need a funnel. So however you do it, you're going to put 1.6 quarts of oil back into the generator, and that's it. You're done, ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, sharing my videos on social media really helps promote my channel, enables me to make more videos. And so please share if you can. And remember, all the products and everything seen in this video are going to be underneath the video in the description area. Just click on the show more and you'll see those there if you're interested in any of that. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.